Students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Since public examinations of CA, Inter and IPCC got postponed, some students are sending me request messages. Is there any chance of conducting any new rapid revision batches for IPCC and CA Inter levels? Students are sending inquiry messages to me. So let me clarify through this video that it is not required to conduct these RRB batches once again, because earlier when we conduct RRB batches, we have recorded all the videos of all the RRB batches and we have made all such videos available in our Masterminds online classes app. I hope everybody is aware that we have started our own app with the name Masterminds Online Classes. So go to the Masterminds Online Classes app, that is install Masterminds Online Classes app from Google Play Store. Click Store, click the option called Store. In that store, you can find all the videos related to CA Inter or IPCC at one place, and you can start watching the RRB videos directly by paying the requisite amount without any human intervention. That means you can directly install the app, go to that app, open the RRB batches, pay the amount and start watching the videos at the convenience of your home. You did not visit any organization physically. You can sit right from your home. You can watch all the videos of rapid revision batches. Till today, more than 1500 students have got benefited through these RRB batches. They might have attended these RRB batches either physically or through online classes, that is through Masterminds Online Classes app. So till today, more than 1500 students have got impacted through these rapid revision batches. So my dear students, take the best utilization of this opportunity. The length of each RRB batch will be around 20 hours. That means each RRB batch will be conducted for approximately 20 hours. And they can be purchased by you at a very nominal price ranging from 300 rupees to 450 rupees. So with just a meager amount, you can watch the rapid revision classes of one particular subject with that small amount. So whatever the number of subjects you would like to watch RRB batches, you can watch the same in Masterminds Online Classes app. For the convenience of some students, I am leaving a video link of a small video which will explain you about all the services available in Masterminds Online Classes app for IPCC and CA Inter students. By watching that video, you will get additional information and knowledge on how to access these RRB videos through Masterminds Online Classes app. Here is another good news for the benefit of CMA Inter students. Very soon, we are going to bring RRB batch videos for all the subjects of CMA Inter. Of course, right now, whatever the subjects that are common for CA Inter and CMA Inter, students can avail the same. For example, Group 1 Accounting Standards, Group 2 Accounting Standards. They are common for both CA Inter as well as CMA Inter. Law, it is almost common for CA Inter and CMA Inter. Income tax, common for both the students. GST, common for both the students. For all subjects, students can directly watch the RRB batches of CA Inter, that is immediately. Very soon, we are going to bring RRB batches even for the subjects which are there in CMA Inter exclusively, like operations management. Such subjects are not there in CA Inter, they are exclusive there in CMA Inter. And these services can be available by the students of IPCC as well as CA Inter, as the syllabus is almost same. So syllabus is completely different with respect to two subjects between IPCC and CA Inter, that is strategic management and information technology. For those two subjects, RRB batches are separately available for the students of IPCC and CA Inter. That means strategic management RRB videos are available separately for old syllabus and new syllabus. EAS videos are separately available for new syllabus, and information technology videos are separately available for old syllabus. So in this way, these RRB batches are going to be beneficial for all the students of IPCC and CA Inter, and very soon we would like to provide the same for CMA Inter students also. All the best.